Today, we'll be showing you how to install your 48-volt Eagle 2s inside your golf cart. First, drop your batteries inside your golf cart's battery bay using the Eagle 2 carrying handles. Remove the rubber cover guards to reveal the terminals. Connect the positive and negative parallel connections and secure the screws to ensure a strong connection. Now connect the negative cables from the motor controller, charger, and battery meter to the first battery. Let's do the same with the positive connections from the motor controller and charger to the last battery. Now connect the battery meter's positive terminal to the first battery. Remove the rubber comm covers and connect the parallel communication cables from the out port of the second battery and the in port of the first battery. Next, connect the comm battery meter into the out port of the first battery. Lastly, turn on the battery by holding the power button for 10 seconds and your display should power on. Thanks for watching our 48-volt Eagle 2 golf cart installation video. To learn more about the 48-volt Eagle 2, click the link in the description below. Hit the subscribe button and notification bell for more awesome content, and check us out at BigBattery.com for all your energy solutions.